I'm Jeremy Armstrong. I'm owner-operator of JTA Electric. We're an installer for Xolar. I think Xolar is a great company to work with. What sets them apart in the solar industry is that they're nationwide. It's a one-stop shop. If a customer needs something, they can call Xolar. They'll set up the engineering, all the paperwork, the installers, the shipping, everything gets done. So it's a great place to start with. When we show up to a site, we give the customer our opinion based on whether inverters, things should line up, but they're the homeowners. They decide where they want things. So we're there to give them our opinion, but basically do what they want. Xolar usually works with two different inverter brands. They got Growatt, very well-known company, and also Solar Edge. They've been around for a decade, longer. When it comes to picking either or, it's usually the size of the operation, how many strings are involved, if there's battery backup, things like that. But both are good options, and depending on whether your design calls for more strings, might call for a Growatt, less strings, Solar Edge. So just depends, right? But it's nice to have multiple options. Depending on the site, if there's trees involved, they'll definitely choose a Solar Edge inverter because they require optimizers underneath each panel. What an optimizer does is helps with shading issues. It can basically spread out the string and make it way more efficient for the actual string. So it helps in that way. Usually customers have questions about the racking system we use. They're a specially designed racking system that are meant for shingles and metal roofs, and they have a special material underneath that helps them seal and directly pull them onto the shingle when designing a site. Ground option is really good when it comes to maintenance, but some customers don't have the space in their property, so they only have an option of the roof, which is still fine. There's plenty of different hardware we use, whether it be for shingles or metal roofs, and they all work great. With each inverter, the customer has the option to use an application to monitor their solar input and generation every day. When we build the system, we link it to their in-home Wi-Fi, and that lets us troubleshoot in remote situations, and them to monitor it remotely too. So it's a great option to have the Wi-Fi built-in monitoring. Definitely take safety seriously. We use harnesses and things on the roof to strap our harness to. We use a lift that we harness ourselves to. Yeah, I think Xolar is a great company to work with.